Fork, fork. Should I eat a fried egg with a fork? Should I eat a fried egg with a fork? Spooned, spooned. Could I have a spoon, please? Could I have a spoon, please? Salt shaker, salt shaker. Every food needs salt to taste. Every food needs salt to taste. Dishwasher, dishwasher. Do you wash your dishes with a dishwasher or by hand? Do you wash your dishes with a dishwasher or by hand? Pan, pan. The frying pan is great for frying food. The frying pan is great for frying food. Spatula, spatula. Spatula is a kitchen tool used for turning and lifting food. Spatula is a kitchen tool used for turning and lifting food. Grater, grater. Grate the cheese for a delicious pizza. Grate the cheese for a delicious pizza. Coffee maker, coffee maker. We need a coffee maker in the office. We need a coffee maker in the office. Hand mixer, hand mixer. You need a mixer to mix the cake ingredients. You need a mixer to mix the cake ingredients.